After 2 hailstorms, the garden is perking up, but it isn't doing the best, but it's still alive. Brussels sprouts are getting chewed up a little bit. I don't know what kind of a bug is in there. Just like cabbage. Gotten a couple of cucumbers out of here already. But there's going to be more. They're small yet. All the flowers got knocked off and they're coming back. No, got 2 big ones out of there so far, and that's it. All the rest are tiny. Tomatoes are coming back. Their branches cracked. There's a hail branch right there. Should have some tomatoes in about a week. They're all green. But that's the garden after 2 hailstorms.